Hello, this is Sam from Roadloft, and today I'm going to show you how to take the measurement of your SUV to make sure the Roadloft kit can fit in. So the only tool you'll need is a measuring tape, and you need close to you the measurement of the product. The process is the same for the hatchback or the SUV. Just make sure you're taking the right dimension for the right product. So let's start. The first measurement we're going to take, it's the trunk opening. So you want to make sure the drawer can go out, and it's 36 inches. And then you're going to measure the space for the kitchen box. So you need 40 inches wide by 26.5 inch long. So what we'll do is you start from the edge here where your kit is going to sit. So when you close the door, you know that it's going to be very, very close to the door. So you go like 26 like this, and you see where it goes. And from there, you take the shortest width and you make sure to measure at this place. So sometimes there is bumps and stuff around, so you really want to do it at the place where it's the shortest. So right here I have a small bump, so I'm going to measure from there, and I need 40 inches. So that's perfectly good. And the kit is about 9 inch and 3/4, so you want to make sure there is no bumps around that. So at this height. So right here I'm at 9 inch 3/4, there is no bumps there, no bumps there, that's good. So you know that the kitchen boxes are going to fit in this vehicle pretty easily. After that, we want to measure the bed platform. So the bed platform start at 36 inches. So you'll put your measuring tape exactly where the kit will end, and you measure from there to 36 inches. So that's right here. So right here, I know that my kit and my bed platform is going to be at 9 inch and 3/4, so about that high. So I can see easily that I'm over that bump here. So from here, I'm going to measure over that and make sure I have 72.5 inch. So right here, I have way more than that. And I just want to make sure that at this height, there is no bumps or whatsoever that can make the kit doesn't fit inside. So right here, I know that everything's gonna fit. The last measurement that I have to take, it's from the place your kit is gonna start to the end of the bed platform, and that's 72 inches, so 6 feet. So in that case, I don't have to move the seats forward, and the kit can fit in, and I know the bed's gonna fit everywhere on top of that. So that's pretty much it. So once you've taken the measurement, you know that the kit is compatible with your SUV or your hatchback. So now you can start to travel freely.